My favorite litter box. Well, this is quite the factory. I don't like it. No, sir, I don't. Time to get serious and talk about safety. Conveyor belts are not toys. I think it's time to show these villains that we're serious about justice. Oh boy, butterflies with huge heads and robots that look like SpongeBob. Joy! Look, it's one of those action figures the Chadbot wants. There's a master model. Let's get it for the Chadbot. Hey, there's one of those things we're looking for. Master models are exciting. If only we knew what they meant. The master model is speaking to my brain, but my brain's not talking to me. Hey, that's a little robot in there. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, this robot is quite the looker. We should rescue this fair damsel. It's a puppy. A really weird puppy. Oh, can we keep him? Can we keep him, please?